Introduced short overview by pictures of Autocessking YTX14-BS 12V 12Ah motorcycle battery. You enter or here, what will you get? Most importantly, honest reviews from people who have already bought it and review rating. And because we are affiliated with Amazon, which if considered from the reliability, you will get acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews. In description below is outstanding features with illustrations and descriptions of Autocessking YTX14-BS 12V 12Ah motorcycle battery. If you are searching for Autocessking YTX14-BS 12V 12Ah motorcycle battery, it is recommended that you do not miss it. But, if you think in this video there are not enough details, you want Autocessking YTX14-BS 12V 12Ah motorcycle battery more details? If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.